This is a tutorial to get you started on Gmail. It should have you done in less than 4 minutes here. I made it even super simple by making it into about 6 easy steps. So whether you're a beginner doing it for the first time or you've done this a million times, you just need a quick refresher. Either way, we're going to hook you up. The steps are listed in the top left-hand corner here, so feel free to go forward or backwards as necessary. It's also listed in the chapter description below. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, first step in getting a Gmail account going is going to gmail.com. And when you do that at the top here, this URL is going to switch over to a google.com/gmail/about. And all that's doing is getting you into a subdirectory of their website. So make sure it's the right website. And you're going to be here for creating an account. So click that button. And it's pretty straightforward there. Enter your first name and your last name. For the username, that's actually going to be your email address, so make sure you memorize this and make it something that you want. A lot of people put their first last name and then maybe some numbers afterwards that are significant to them so they can memorize it later on. There's no reason to put in a @gmail.com. It's already in there, so leave that alone. And then for a password, it requires you to have more than 8 characters. I like to make mine a longer password because it's, generally speaking, harder for hackers to get in there. Dictionary attacks will occur if you have a lot of words in there, so mix it up with numbers and letters. Type in the same thing twice. As long as you have it in there twice correctly, it'll allow you to proceed to the next part. And this is where you put in your phone number. Type that in. If you'd like to put a recovery email address in there, if you have another email address somewhere else already established, that if you lose your password and you want to use that as a reference, Google allows you to do that. For your birth date, the month is a drop down, so you can pick whatever month your birth date is, and then you can simply type in your, there we go, type in your date for your birth date and type in your year that you were born as well. And for gender, go ahead and select your gender and then click Next. Okay, so for that 6-digit number, what I'm going to do is expect it to come through once I hit send. And keep in mind that 6-digit number, you're going to have a G for Google, so no need to type that in or anything. But when you get it, go ahead and type your new digits in, and you're going to click Verify. This page allows you to tie your phone with your account. If you don't like that idea, click on More Options to select More Privacy. Okay, this next step is the privacy and terms, just like you'd expect with the legal speak for a lot of agreements. And this is what Google gives you for things to know about their service and their website. If you want to click on More Options, it does give you some options to how to save, don't save. You can click through whatever you're comfortable with. Show me ads, don't show me ads, their personalized YouTube history. All that kind of stuff is in there. So make sure you go through that and make sure that it's appropriate for you. These are all the default settings set here. Okay, this is what a new Gmail account looks like. And in the top left-hand corner here, you can see where it says Compose. That's how you're going to start your new emails for anything going out. And then Inbox is going to be right there for the already automated email that Google sent me to kind of welcome me and get information there. This was a quick YouTube video about making Gmail accounts, whether you were a beginner and you need some help there, or you were a pro that just need a quick reference. So this is also my first YouTube video, so if you have some other ideas about what I can help you out with, please leave the comments below and I'd like to hear from you. In the meantime, I'll be checking some emails. Talk to you next time. This is Joe Don.